Now question number 2, add without using number line. Okay. See here 11 plus minus 7. Now here both integers having different signs. Means what we have to do then? In this case, when both integers having different signs, we have to take their absolute values and we have to subtract. We have to compare those absolute values. Okay. Now see here. As how we did in question number 1, in the same way we are going to solve it. Now see here absolute value of 11. Absolute value of 11 is 11 and absolute value of minus 7. It will be 7. Correct? Now compare. Absolute value of 11 is greater than absolute value of 7. Correct? Therefore, then in this case what we have to do? We have to subtract their absolute values. So, absolute value of 11 minus absolute value of 7. What is absolute value of 11? 11. Minus what is absolute value of 7? 7. So, 11 minus 7 is 4. And see 11 minus 7, 4 answer. Correct? Now next, minus 21 here and here plus 92. Both having different sign. Now what? Again same, in the same way we have to do. So, absolute value of minus 21 is equal to absolute value always it is positive. So it is 21 and absolute value of 92 is 92. Now whose absolute value is greater? 92. Therefore, absolute value of 92 is greater than absolute value of minus 21. After comparing what we are doing? We are subtracting the absolute values. So, therefore, absolute value of 92 minus absolute value of minus 21 is equal to, what is absolute value of 92? 92 minus this side. What is absolute value of this? 21. That is 2 minus 1, 1, 9 minus 2, 7. Followed? Now, third one see. Now, in third question see, minus 13, minus 19. Both having same sign. Then what we have to do? We are adding. So, minus sign take outside and 13 plus 9. So, what is 13 plus 9? This minus sign will remain in the answer also. Only this minus sign I took as common and inside 13 plus 19 it is. Okay. So, what is 13 plus 19? 9 plus 3, 12. Carry 1, 32. So, answer is minus 32. Here no need of take absolute value. Why? Because both integers having same sign. When we are comparing absolute value and all, when both integers having different signs. Okay. Question number 3. See question number 2. Only 3 sums I solved. And remaining you will have to do as homework. Here also 1, 2, 3 I will solve and fourth one you will have to do as homework. Now see first one, find the sum of. So first we will write with the plus sign. So what we have to add? Minus 10 plus 75 plus 39 and plus minus 21. When many integers are there for addition, that time what we have to do? Make a group of the integers having same sign. Now here see what I will do. I will make a group of minus this. This is minus 10 and plus minus 21. These together and plus 75 and plus 39. Okay. 70 plus 75 plus 21. 39. Now this minus sign I will take common and and inside 10 plus 21 plus this addition directly we can do. 5 plus 9 14, carry 1, 7 plus 3 10 plus 1 11. This and here what answer will get? 10 plus 21 is 31. That is minus 31 plus 114. Now see, both having different signs. Then what we have to do? We have to take the absolute values. Correct? Now see here, absolute value of 114 is equal to is greater than, I am writing it directly. Now I will not write absolute value of minus 31 is 31, absolute value of 114 is 114. That I will not write. Directly I will write absolute value of 114 is greater than absolute value of minus 31. Therefore 104 absolute value minus absolute value of 31. We have to subtract, no? So 114 minus 31. What will be the answer? See, 4 minus 1, 3 and 11 minus 3 is 8. So answer is, I will show here, is equal to answer is 83. Okay? 114, absolute value of 114 is 114. Absolute value of minus 31 is 31 plus 31. And we have to subtract. So answer is 83. You will get. Okay? Sign will be of absolute value which is greater. So now see, absolute value of 114 is greater. And what is the sign of that? Plus. So answer will be plus. Followed? Answer will be in positive sign. Now see, here I did not mention the sign. That means it is positive. Followed? Now this also. Minus 312. I will put bracket plus 198 plus 14 plus minus 102. Again what to do? Take the same signs integers together. So minus I will take outside 312 plus 102. They have same signs, no? So I have taken outside. Plus plus these two having positive. So I will write together. Okay. Now do this is minus, add 2 plus 2 4, 1 plus 0 1, 3 plus 1 4. This is minus 414 plus add 8 plus 4 12, carry 1, 9 plus 1 10 plus 1 11, carry 1 2. Now this is minus, this is plus. So see here, absolute value of minus 414. What will be the absolute value of minus 414? Plus 414. It is greater than 212. Minus 414 is greater than absolute value of 212. That means our answer will be now negative, because negative absolute value is greater. Therefore, what we have to do? Subtract their absolute values. So minus 41 is 414 minus 212. So answer will be 4202. Okay, 4 minus 2, 2. 1 minus 1, 0. And 4 minus 2, 2. So answer will be, but this answer will be negative. Why? Because absolute value of negative integer is greater. So answer will be negative. Okay? See here. Here also negative sign we will take outside and we will do subtraction of absolute values. So answer will be minus 202. Okay? Now see third one. I will write first all 25 plus 45 plus minus 31 plus 84 plus minus 90. Again what you will do? Take the integers having same sign together. So see, this minus 25, minus 31, minus 91 having same sign. So minus sign I will write outside only. Inside what I will write? 25 plus 31 plus 91. Okay? And then these having positive sign I will write together. 45 plus 84. Okay. Now add. Minus sign will be outside only because these integers having minus sign. So it will remain common. Add 5 plus 1 6 plus 1 7 and 2 plus 3 5 plus 9 14. That is minus 147 plus add this 5 plus 4 9 and 8 plus 4 12. Now see, this is 140 minus 147, this is plus 129. Both having different signs. So take absolute values. Now absolute values of value of 147, it will be plus 147. So it is greater than this. One absolute value of minus 147 is greater than absolute value of 129. Correct? So our answer will be negative because negative absolute value is greater. Therefore, minus sign we will take outside and inside do subtraction of absolute values. Minus 129. Okay. So minus sign outside. 147 minus 129. Okay. If you are unable to do like this, you can do vertical subtraction. 7, yes, borrow 1. Now 17 minus 9, how much? 8. 3 minus 2, 1 and this 0. So minus, this sign we have to write as this and subtraction of this is 18. So answer is minus 18. Now see question number 4, find the value of. Same like question number 3. So again here many integers are there with different signs. So integers having same sign I will take together. Here see is equal to minus this and this I will take together. So minus I will take out common. Inside what? 10 I will add 15 plus 17 plus this 92 as it is. Okay. Now minus add this 7 plus 5 12 carry 1 1 plus 1 2 3 4 that is minus 42 plus 92. Now see again both having different signs. So what we have to do? Take absolute value. So absolute value of 92. It is greater than absolute value of minus 42. Correct na? Absolute value of 92 is 92. Absolute value of minus 42 is plus 42. So 92 is greater than plus 42. So our answer will be positive or negative? Positive. Why? Because see 92 is having positive sign. So we have to subtract the absolute values. Okay. Now absolute value of 92 is 92 minus this side. And what is the absolute value of minus 42? Plus 42. So the answer is 2 minus 2 0, 9 minus 4 5 plus 50. Follow? Third one see. Again I will take those who have common sign together. That is now see minus 71 minus 78. So minus sign I will take outside 71 plus this minus sign is outside. So inside only 70. Okay. Then this plus 85 is having plus sign only and plus 20 is having same sign. That together. Minus sign this I will write 8 plus 1 9. Do addition 7 plus 7 14 and this plus add this 9 plus 5 14 carry 1 8 plus 2 10 plus 1 11. Now minus 149 plus 140 both having different signs. So take absolute values. Here 149's absolute value is will be greater than this. Now you know what is the absolute value of minus 149 plus 149 and 149 is greater than this. So our answer will be negative because negative absolute value here is greater. Therefore, minus 149 absolute value is greater than 114. Therefore, our answer will be negative. So, negative right sign right outside and subtract the absolute values. Okay. Minus absolute value of 114. Now, what is absolute value of this minus sign as it is? What is the absolute value of minus 149 plus 149? Okay. And what is my absolute value of this 114? Do subtraction. This minus sign will remain as it is. Okay. So 9 minus 4, 5. 4 minus 1, 3. 1 minus 1, 0. So answer is minus 35. Why negative sign? Because absolute value of negative number is greater. So answer is negative. Next, here see minus 24, minus 8 and minus 17 having same value. So this 37 plus 9 together. Okay, and plus minus 24 minus sign outside we want, no? So here what will this minus sign will outside, here 24 plus 8 plus 17. Okay. Now 37 plus 9, 46 plus minus sign is outside only. And add this 17 plus 8, 25, and 25 plus 24 is 49. Now see, for plus 46 minus 49, different signs. That is absolute values. So absolute value of this is greater. Absolute value of minus 49 is greater than absolute value of 46. So our answer will be negative only. So negative sign take outside and subtract absolute values. Okay. So minus sign, absolute value of minus 49 is 49 minus this is 46. So 49 minus 46 is 3. Answer is minus 3. Okay. Question number 5. Find the additive inverse of. Additive inverse means what? Opposite numbers. Okay. See here. Minus 12. What is additive inverse of minus 12? Plus 12. Minus 371 is plus 371. Plus 49 is minus 49. Okay. Only you will have to change the sign. Minus 8 plus 8. 0. What is additive inverse of 0? 0 only, because 0 is neither positive nor negative. Next, 75. Plus, no sign is shown, that is plus only. So it will be minus. Here minus 21 plus 21. I am not writing sign plus, then also okay. Then minus 18 plus 18. Okay. Question number 6 is fill in the blanks with greater than, smaller or equal to sign. First one. Now here see minus 3 plus 8 both having different signs. That is we have to compare the absolute values. So absolute here directly I am writing absolute value of 8 is greater than absolute value of 3. Correct? Therefore subtract absolute values. Okay. When different signs is there, then we have to do subtraction. So 8 minus 3 is how much? 5. Here. And here this side see. So both having same. That is 7. Correct? 4 plus 3, 7. Now, who is greater? 5 is greater or 7 is greater? 7 is greater. Correct? So who is greater? Sign will be this side. Because this you will have to show. Okay? You will have to solve and show. Here 7 and here 5. So who is greater? 7 is greater. Now next here minus 8 plus 8. Now additive inverse. Minus 8 plus 8. Their addition always comes 0. And here also 0. So both are equal. Here nothing to solve because see this is minus 8 plus 8. Both are additive inverse. And additive inverse sum is always 0. So both sides 0, that is equal. Next minus 8 plus 9. Again different sign. So absolute, now whose absolute value is greater? This. So absolute value of 9 is greater than absolute value of minus 8. Correct? Then what we have to do? We have to subtract their absolute values. Minus. Okay. So absolute value of 9 is 9 minus absolute value of minus 8 is only 8. So 9 minus 8 is 1. This side answer we got 1. And again here see they are different on this side. So take absolute value. Now absolute value of minus 3 is plus 3 and 2 is 2. So whose absolute value is greater? Negative numbers. Correct? So our answer will be negative. So see here how to write minus 3 is absolute value is greater than 2. Therefore subtraction sign will, our answer will be negative because negative absolute value is greater, and subtract their absolute values minus 2. Okay, is equal to minus 3, absolute value of minus 3 is 3 minus this is 2. So minus 1. Now who is greater? Plus 1 is greater or minus 1? Always positive integers are greater. So plus 1, this is greater than minus. Next, minus 3 plus 0 is what? Minus 3 only. And this is 0. So who will be greater? Negative numbers always they are smaller. So 0 is greater than minus 3. In this way you will have to compare. Now question number 7, word problems. Question number 7 and 8 are. In that 7 one see, at 5 a.m. a.m. means morning, the temperature of Jalandhar city was recorded as 7 degrees Celsius. By afternoon, if the temperature rose 30 degrees Celsius, find the temperature of Jalandhar in afternoon. So see here, morning it was 7 degree and afternoon it is rose, that is added 30 degree. Okay, both having positive signs and addition we have to do. So 30 plus 7 is 37 degrees Celsius. So find the temperature of Jalandhar in the afternoon. Answer what you will write? In the afternoon, the temperature Jalandhar is 37 degrees Celsius. Both integers having positive sign. So we have to add. Okay. Next. Now, an Indian Navy submarine was tracked at 200 meters below. Now below sea level means which sign we have to add? Use minus. Minus 200 meters it was. And at 1 p.m. At 5 p.m. it rose by 52 meters. It come up by 52 meters. That is plus 52. So what is its new position? Now see, minus 200 plus 52. Both having different signs. So what we have to do? We have to compare their absolute values. Now absolute values minus 200 is plus 200. So it will be greater than the absolute value of 52. Correct? So our answer will be negative only, because negative absolute value is greater. Okay? Absolute value of minus 200 is greater than absolute value of 52. So therefore our answer will be negative. So negative sign take outside and subtract the absolute values. Okay? That is minus. What is absolute value of this? 200 minus 52. So what is 200 minus 52? See, 10. If you don't know, like this vertically do. Okay? We have to borrow from 1 from 2. So here 10. Again from 10 we have to borrow here. So here 9 will remain, here 10. 10 minus 2, 8. 9 minus 5, 4. And is 1. That is minus 148 meter. Okay. So what is its new position? Answer. Its new position is at minus 148 meter. Where will be the submarine? At minus 140 meter. Okay. You can write its new position